In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIF in card.co. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a little motion and personality to your card site using a GIF, from opening your dashboard to placing it precisely where you want it. Start by heading over to card.co and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which lists all the sites you've created. If you're brand new, you'll see any templates or projects you've started. If you've been here before, pick the site you want to update. Choose the site where you want the GIF to appear and click the pencil icon to open the editor. That pencil is your shortcut into the build view, where you can add, arrange, and fine-tune elements on your page. Give the editor a second to load, and you'll see your site layout ready for changes. Inside the editor, look for the Add control, click Add, then choose Image. The image element is what you'll use for a GIF in Card. There isn't a separate GIF item. Card will automatically animate a GIF file as long as the file itself is animated, so you don't need any special settings to make it play. Next, click Upload. This opens a prompt to select the GIF from your device. If you don't have one handy, you can grab one from jiffy.com. Just log in there, find a GIF you like, and download it to your computer. Quick tip, choose a GIF that's optimized and not too large. Lighter files load faster and keep your page feeling snappy. Also, make sure you have the right to use the GIF, especially if your site is public or commercial. Once your GIF is uploaded, click Done. You'll see the GIF appear on your canvas. Click and hold on it to move it around and position it exactly where you want it on your site. As you place it, think about balance and spacing. Try not to crowd other content and consider how the motion draws the eye. If the GIF is a main visual, keep it near the top. If it's decorative, tuck it near related text or a section that benefits from a little animation. And that's it. You've added a GIF to your card site by opening the editor, inserting an image element, uploading your GIF, and placing it in the perfect spot. For best results, stick to high quality yet compact files. Pick loops that fit your brand's tone, and keep accessibility and clarity in mind so the animation enhances your message rather than distracting from it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your card site that animated touch.